name is Varali. I am intern student at Avishkar Tech Solution. As a part of data science course at Avishkar, I made a project, customer segmentation analysis. The objective of this project is to have a deeper understanding of each segment so we can market and message effectively. Why it is necessary? We can track the difference between loyal customers versus visitors we can empowering our market department to make better strategic decisions. Let's get deep dive into this project. First I have imported the libraries. Then this is our data. Then I have checked there is any null value or not. Then I have checked the shape of the data. So there are 200 rows and 5 columns. Describe command gives us the mean, standard deviation, percentile of the data. Data types gives us the which type of data we have. Then I have dropped the customer ID as there is no necessary for the prediction. Then I have done the histogram of age, annual income and spending score. Histogram of age class. So here we can see that the customer ages are between 30 to 35 have done the maximum shopping. Histogram of annual income. The customers who have their annual income between 60 to 80, they have done the maximum shopping. Bar plot of male and female population. So in this data, in this graph, we can see that the female have done the more shopping than male. Box plot of spending score and annual income. So here we can clearly see that the spending score is more than the annual income range. Correlation. We can see here more correlation between the age and spending score. Their correlation is minus 0.33. Therefore, it is a negative correlation. After that, I have used the algorithm K-means clustering. First here I have the imported the libraries. So visualization of data set. Here from this graph scatter plot we can see the visualization of data set in 4 clusters. Then I have trained the model and did prediction. So after prediction, this is our data set. After that, I have done the hierarchical clustering. First, I have imported the libraries, and these are the dendrograms. So, what dendrograms shows us? Dendrogram shows us the hierarchical relationship between objects, and it is used to work out best way to allocate object to clusters. So, after that visualization, the clusters. So there are 5 clusters. So in this graph we can see that the 5 clusters, and the clusters are plotted on spending score versus annual income. So what is the conclusion? So the in black dotted, that is the cluster 5, we can see that the customer have their annual income low as well as their spending score is also low. Yellow dotted cluster shows us that the customers have their annual income low but the spending score is more. Blue dotted cluster shows us that the customer have average annual income as well as spending score. Here green dotted cluster shows us that the customer have their annual income and spending score both high, and the red color cluster shows us that the spending score of the customer is low but their annual income is high. So finally we can conclude from these that we may deduce that to increase the profit of the mall, all mall authorities should target people belonging cluster 3 and 4, that means green and yellow, and should also maintain its standard to keep the people belonging to cluster 1 and cluster 2 happy and satisfied. Thank you.